देश के हित में हम बदल सकते हैं।
धन्यवाद। श्री के रविंद्र कुमार।
Sir, thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir, for giving this opportunity. Water is a natural resource bestowed to the humankind of nature by nature. It is one of very basic need for the existence of humankind. It is also a fundamental for livelihood, food security, and sustainable development. The Ministry of Jal Shakti consists of two departments, namely the Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Regeneration, and the Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation. Sir, without wasting any time, I would like to draw the attention of the Minister to Polavaram irrigation project. This project was granted the status of national project as per the provisions of the AP Reorganization Act 2014. Sir, the Polavaram project is aimed at augmentation of the irrigation facilities in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The project is now very in low progress since the assume of the office by the new government. In the pretext of reverse tendering, the project was halted for some time. After much efforts and great persuasion of the opposition parties and the public of the state of Andhra Pradesh, the work has started again. The work is not in progress as desired speed. All the components of the Polavaram irrigation project is running behind the schedule. Be it spillway, the copper dams, etc. are running behind the schedule. To one of my questions to the ministry, it has been stated that the revised 22 date of completion of the project by April 2022. The unnecessary delay has occurred due to non-serious attitude of the present state government, and this delay has imposed a huge cost escalation of the cost of the project. Not only this, the rehabilitation and resettlement package is very minimum, and the state government is not taking proper steps to give serious thought over the issue. The project cost escalated costs also, revised estimations are also, technical estimation sanctioned. The project affected the people running to pillar to post adequate compensation. I take this opportunity to urge the government expedite the earlier completion of Polavaram project and ensure the adequate compensation to the affected people also provided to the earliest. The Polavaram project is there are disputes between after the bifurcation between the state of Telangana and state of Andhra Pradesh. Then, although Apex Council is constituted under the provisions of AP Reorganization Act, the central government has to take several steps in order to check the disputes between AP and Telangana as regards the sharing of Krishna water between the time fixed limits, and authorities have to take the control, and the central government has to pay attention on in this regard. Likewise, the feasibility of Godavari and Krishna rivers interlinking has to be completed by the central government, since the Godavari Krishna link project is one of the links under Mahanandi, Godavari, Krishna, Pennar, Kaveri, Guduru link system under the component National Prospective Plan. National Water Development Agency had prepared the FR and also they circulated the concerned states in the year 1999 itself. Now, the central government abandoned the project on the ground that the government of Andhra Pradesh has implemented the link canal as a part of the project according to their own planning. And stating that the central government has already released rupees 10,848.36 crores to the Polavaram project. So the sanction of release of amount has taken an excuse for taking a linking of a project of Godavari and Krishna. I urge the government, the concerned ministry, to take up the possibility of a link of water link project Godavari and Krishna under the NPP, National Prospective Plan. Now another is, the Ministry of Jal Shakti has notified the guidelines for regulation and control of groundwater abstraction in India on 24/9/2020. These guidelines include mandatory provisions for conducting annual water audit by industries using more than 100 kiloliters per day of groundwater, which are required to reduce their fresh water consumption by 20% over a period of 3 years. However, the water audit is to be carried out by the industries using their own funds. I would like to know from the minister whether any mechanism has been put in place to ensure this. Besides this, there are also many other issues. Due to ever increasing population, the demand for clean and portable drinking water is increasing day by day. Therefore, it has become very essential to find out new sources of water and also recharge the fast depleting water table. Under these circumstances, rainwater harvesting techniques assumes much importance. I would like to know from the Honourable Minister whether the rainwater harvesting structures are mandatory or optional, whether any uniform policy is there on entire India basis. With these few submissions, I request the Jal Shakti Minister to consider the Polavaram project to complete it in the state of Andhra Pradesh as expeditiously as possible. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Shri Shakti Singh Gohil.
महोदय, एक बड़ी जिम्मेवारी वाला